So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul Trading Academy. So today we will learn about swing trading. So I want to give you a disclaimer that I am not good in English speaking, but I am making videos in English with English because I want to improve my English communication. And also I like to do trading, and I like to teach, and also I like to learn about trading, so that I am making videos in English so that I can improve my English communication. Also I can create videos, and I can learn. So this is my motive. So today's topic is swing trading. And one thing, if I will got stuck in English, then I will use Hindi, because I already give you the reason. So avoid my English. So we are going to teach you about swing trading, why we have to do swing trading, and why swing trading is best, and what is swing trading. So swing trading is basically a trading where we have to capture a swing and we can take profits. Like whenever market is like act, market don't go like this, don't go up like this, or market don't down like this, market are going like this, right? Market is going up, then slightly market will down, and slightly up, then market will slightly down, then market will boom and up. So we have to capture these swings. This is a swing, this is a swing. If we buy here and sell here, sell, then we can take profit. So we have to capture these things. That's why it's called swing trading. In swing trading, basically we buy stocks for 5 to 10 days, or 3 to 10 days, or maximum 15 days. That is swing trading. So we buy below and sell high and take our profits. Swing trading is easy. We basically use daily time frame, so that everyone can do swing trading. In swing trading, you can analyze once a week, then you can do swing trading. But if you want to do option trading or intraday trading, you have to sit in front of your desk, in front of your system. Otherwise you can't do. You have to be focused, and you have to be take quick decision. Otherwise you can't do option trading and other trading. But in swing trading, if you will give 2 hours or 4 hours in a week, then also you can do. If you are doing job, if you are a housewife, if you are a student, and you have your class, and you have your office, and you have your home and other works, then also you can do swing trading, because only daily charts you have to follow. You don't have to sit whole days in front of a system. So once a day, if I will check chart once time in a day, that's enough, and you can do swing trading, because we will buy a stock for 5 to 10 or 15 days. We no need to sit in front of a system. So I already told you that if you want to do swing trading, and if you are a beginner, I will guide you everything, and I will make video regularly from now. And you can subscribe my YouTube channel, so that whenever I upload new videos, you can watch. And this is for beginners, and you can go through beginners to advanced level. So for swing trading, you have to use time frame, that is daily time frame, and you have to check weekly and monthly time frame also for long term trend. But you have to trade in daily time frame, and you have to be know about chart analysis, because technical analysis you have to know and you have to learn, because without technical analysis and without chart analysis you can do swing trading. So in coming videos I will learn about chart analysis, and you have to stick in one strategy. We will make a strategy, so you have to follow one strategy. You have to know where you have to take entry, when you have to take exit, and stop loss you have to follow. Stop loss is your friend. Stop loss is your friend. If you will not follow stop loss, then maybe you will book lots of loss. So like there is no 100% accuracy. If you are 70, if you like win 70% of time, if 70% of your trade is profitable, that is enough. We can't be 100% profitable in trading. So this is the reality. And also we have to know where we have to be exit. So before take a trade, we know where we have to take entry, we know where we have to exit, where we have to take stop loss, and where we have to exit. So everything, entry, exit, stop loss, sorry, this is target. So entry, exit, stop loss, and target. So everything you have to know before take a trade. And you have to follow risk management also. And target you can take 1:2, 1:2 you can take target. And there is a risk management you have to follow. I will tell you everything in upcoming videos, so that subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you can learn in future also. And avoid my English, because I am a new English speaker and I want to improve my English also. That's why I am making videos in English language. So I want to give you some tips for beginners. Start with small capital. So first put small capital in the stock market. You just have to gain some experience, you have to know about the market, then you can gain your capital. And also you can make a trading journal. Journal, that means when you will buy, when you will sell, stop loss, exit, everything you note, everything you should note down in your Excel. Like you have to make a report, and why you exit, why your stop loss sheet, what's mistake you did. So everything you have to maintain in your journal, so that you can learn from your mistake also. And you have a journal, or you have a report, that what trading you do, that will help you in future in trading. And in trading you have to be very disciplined, because without discipline you can't make money in stock market. The discipline is the key of success in every field, and here also. And you have to control your emotions. Otherwise, if you can't control your emotions, then you can't win in stock market. So you have to be control your emotions, you have to be disciplined in stock market, so that you can become a profitable trader. So this is my video. I will end here, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. So thank you guys. Jai Hind.